Hello students, in this video we will learn how to draw the involute of a square having a side of 20 mm. An involute is a special type of curve that is generated when a thread is unwound from the boundary of a shape, keeping the thread tight. Here we take a square of 20 mm side and imagine that a thread is wrapped around it. When we unwind this thread completely while keeping it tight, the locus of the endpoints of the thread will form the involute of the square. So let's start step by step construction and understand this interesting curve. First, take a ruler and draw a horizontal line of 20 mm. Next, take a protractor and keep it at the endpoints of line and mark a point at 90 degree. After this, using this point as a reference point, draw a line of 20 mm and complete the square. Label these vertices as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and give the dimensions of any one side of square as 20 mm. Now draw a line from point 0 whose length should be equal to the perimeter of the pentagon. The perimeter means sum of all side. So 20 multiplied 4 equal to 80 mm. So draw a line of 80 mm and divide it into 4 equal parts. 4 sides of a square. And label this point as 1, 2, 3 and 4. After this we have to extend the lines from point 1, 2, 3 means from the all corner points of a square. Next, take a compass and set a radius equal to the first side of a square 0 to 1 and 1 as a center. Make an arc on this line. Now take a radius 0 to 2 means 2 equal to the 2 side of a square and point 2 as a center. Make another arc up to this extended line. Now adjust it to the 3 to 0 and 3 as a center. Make an arc and so on. Name the curve involute and in the last give dimensions. So students, this is how we have successfully completed the construction of the involute of a square of 20 mm side. We understood that an involute is the path traced by the end of a string as it is unwound from a surface keeping it tight. This curve is not only important in engineering drawing but also has a real life application. For example, it is used in the design of gear teeth to ensure smooth power transmission. So practice this method carefully because such curves are very important for real engineering applications. Thank you for watching.